the world of AI and rank the most powerful systems from best to worst. Can I make the ultimate decision? Ranking AI systems is a big deal in today's tech-driven world. With AI becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives, it's essential to understand which systems are leading the way and which ones are lagging behind. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is transforming the way we live and work. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to distinguish between different AI systems is the lack of transparency. Many AI systems are complex and difficult to understand, making it hard for people to know what they're capable of. Additionally, the marketing hype surrounding AI can be overwhelming, making it tough to separate fact from fiction. Furthermore, the rapid pace of innovation in AI means that systems are constantly evolving, making it challenging to keep up. This can lead to confusion and frustration for those trying to navigate the AI landscape. The AI landscape is vast and diverse, with numerous systems available, each with their features, strengths, and weaknesses. For instance, some AI systems excel in natural language processing, while others are better suited for computer vision tasks. When comparing AI systems, it's essential to consider factors such as performance, scalability, and ease of use. Some AI systems are designed for specific industries, such as healthcare or finance, while others are more general purpose. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions about which AI systems to use. So, which AI systems come out on top? The top-ranked AI systems are those that have demonstrated exceptional performance, scalability, and ease of use. These systems have been extensively tested and have shown remarkable results in various applications. What sets them apart is their ability to learn and adapt quickly, making them highly effective in a wide range of scenarios. For example, some of these top-ranked AI systems have been used in real-world applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, and even autonomous vehicles. In conclusion, the rankings of AI systems have significant implications for our daily lives. As AI continues to transform the way we live and work, understanding which systems are leading the way can help us make informed decisions about how to harness this technology. If you have any thoughts on these rankings, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI technology, be sure to check out my other video on the latest advancements in AI. It's a game changer